Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be trying out a brand new eyeshadow palette from one of my favorites at the drugstore, and this is the NYX Ultimate Festival Eyeshadow Palette. I picked this up directly from the NYX website. You do get 16 shades and it retails for $18, although I did sign up to get their emails and I was given like a 15% or 10% discount, so I brought the price down just a little bit. But I was in my local Walmart yesterday and I saw they had the display for this, but the palette was not there. They had other colorful palettes in that display, so I don't know if it was sold out or it's about to be stocked. I haven't seen it yet on Ulta, but I would imagine it's fixing to hit all the retailers really soon, because right now I've only seen this on the NYX website. So we're going to be playing around with this today. I did do a bright, fun lip look because I thought it'd go really well with this palette, and the lipstick I'm wearing is from ColourPop, and this is the Lippie Stix in the shade Chi Chi. So if this one is still available, I will have it linked. I believe this one might be only on the ColourPop website. But yeah, guys, we're going to dive into this palette today. I will be creating two different looks. We'll see how it performs. You guys know that I love the large Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette. This is a holy grail item for me. I've been able to dupe so many high-end palettes with this palette alone. So I definitely wanted to try the smaller version of one of their ultimate palettes just so we can see how the mini version performs. Now, of course, the rest of the products that I am using on and off camera, they will be linked in the description box down below. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up purchasing, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Now, before we start creating the two looks with this cute eyeshadow palette from NYX, I'm going to insert some swatches that I did of this palette in natural lighting so that you can see what they look like on a fair to light skin tone. If you guys want to see the two looks I create using this new one from NYX, this is their new festival palette, keep on watching.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I say you're the one and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri. Way you look at me is staggering. Way I break out, sunsets, factory. Way I look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject. I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma weather through it. Calling me a boy, can we make it boo? I feel the heat like a summer solstice. Running out of words, running out of choices. I can hear the smile and the tone of voice, yeah. And it's something about that moon. Make your lips taste just like June. Falling faster into you.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love.
So let me quickly tell you what I did to finish off this eye look. I went in with these Ardell Faux Mink lashes in the style 811. First time I used them, really like them. They have the invisible band on them and they were really easy to apply and they feel super lightweight. So far I'm really enjoying those. Before I added the lashes, I went in with some of the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Really do enjoy wearing this one from NYX. And on the lower waterline, I'm probably going to be using another NYX eyeliner on this eye as well. well, just because I love these colorful liners from NYX. This is their Epic Wear liner, and this one is in the shade, what is this one? Cosmic Yellow. That's what I have on the lower waterline. And my black eyeliner, of course, is my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid eyeliner. And this is the look we got, guys. A little bit of a sunset moment going on. Let's jump over to the right eye and start on look number 2.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. You and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I say you're the one and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri. Way you look at me is staggering. Way I break out, sunsets, factory. Way I look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. You and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject, I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma weather through it. Calling me a boy, can we make it boo? I feel the heat like a summer solstice. Running out of words, running out of choices. I can hear the smile and the tone of voice, yeah. And it's something about that moon, make your lips taste just like June. Falling faster.
Alright guys, this is look number 2 using the Festival palette from NYX. I really like the way this eye turned out. It's like an all purple look. Really love that shimmer shade. The one that I used up here and the one that I used in the inner corner as well. Really pretty, but do spray them. They're going to be more impactful that way. For the upper lash line, I went in with this liquid NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Vivid Violet. I have quite a few of these in multiple different colors, and I really do enjoy using them. For the lower lash line, I wanted to keep it bright light, so I went in with this other one from NYX. This is the Epic Wear liner, and this one is in the shade Periwinkle Pop. So you can see I really do enjoy using NYX eyeliners, both pencil and liquid version. I think that they are really, really great, really affordable. And I think NYX is on sale right now at Ulta. Buy one, get one half off during their spring haul event. So definitely I'll have these products linked to both Ulta and NYX. Specifically the palette will be linked only to NYX because that's the only place that it's available as of today. I'm sure that's going to be changing in the next few days, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted. Of course, I added the other lash. Really am liking these Ardell Faux Mink lashes. They're super lightweight, really, really lightweight. If you're looking to add a new style of lashes and you like the invisible band, these are a pretty good option. They will be linked in the description box as well. And this is the look. Really do like it. I love both looks. To be honest, I love them both. Yeah, really, really happy with the way these 2 looks came out. Now it's time for me to give you guys my final thoughts, my review over this new one from NYX. Alright guys, so now that I've created both the looks, I definitely have a few thoughts on this really cute eyeshadow palette from NYX. This is the Festival palette. You are getting 16 different shades and it retails for $18 right now on the NYX website. Outside swatching these shades, only one gave me trouble, but it didn't give me trouble going onto the eye, thank goodness, and it was this purple shade right here. That was the only shade I thought swatched a little bit patchy, but as you can see, I applied it over here on this right eye, and it blended out really great. These shades are super pigmented. They're very easy to blend, a little on the powdery side because you're definitely going to get some kick up in the pan. That never bothers me, but if it bothers you, just be expecting that. Guys, I think the color story is perfect for summer. Like, this is definitely a palette I would love to take with me on a beach vacation. And I actually am thinking that I am taking this on my trip this summer because I love all the shades in here. And as you can see, I got two totally different eye looks. And I like that they included the black because that's what I used to deepen up this eye look. Although I do think that this purple did a good job of deepening up the look on its own, but I just wanted to add the black to make it a little bit deeper, and I'm glad I chose to do that. I think that the shimmer shades are really pretty. This one almost looks like a duochrome or a multi-chrome, and it was this shade right here. Super, super pretty. This is the one I have in the inner corner on the right eye. And the only shimmer I didn't use was the gold one. I feel like we have a lot of gold shimmers, don't we, in all of our palettes? But that's the only one I didn't use. Oh, and I didn't use this one right here. I almost used this one. I almost used this one on this eye. But at the last minute, I changed my mind. Everything else, guys, really, really nice. I can't wait to dive into this yellow shade. This yellow shade, I love a good yellow in an eyeshadow palette. This is a matte yellow. I think they did a good job as far as the different finishes and textures of the palette. There's a lot of mattes. There's some really nice shimmer and these like glittery shades. They're not glitter. It's not pressed glitter at all, but really nice, like duochrome shades almost. So really do appreciate the different finishes that they put in this eyeshadow palette. I think it's really cute. For $16, this is definitely an updated spring summer eyeshadow palette, one that I am very happy that I own. As far as fallout goes, I always seem to forget. So I always forget some stuff whenever I'm going over these eyeshadow palette reviews, guys. It's either I forget the kick up or I forget the fallout. Fallout I got from this shade right here. And I think that was it. And it was on this eye right here. And I think I showed you guys that in the video. Other than that, guys, I had no problems with this palette. I think it is really, really cute. A nice addition to the Ultimate line. I love the Ultimate Utopia palette. That is one of my favorites. And I am definitely going to be reaching for this one again very soon. I'll probably do another look with this over on my Instagram Reels. And guys, what I'm trying to do right now is what I post on Instagram Reels, I'm trying to bring it over to YouTube Shorts. I've been really enjoying that feature here in YouTube, and I think a lot of you are enjoying that as well. Just really short little videos, kind of what you see on TikTok, what you see on Instagram Reels. I'm really happy that YouTube has integrated that into their platform. I think it's going to help all of us content creators out and give you guys more options, more viewing options other than just regular 10, 15, 20-minute videos. You can watch something short, sweet, and then get on with your day. So I'm looking forward to adding more shorts to my content here. And if there's anything you want to see, like quick little demo info, any ideas that you have for me, definitely leave it in the comments down below because I welcome your opinions. I welcome your feedback. And I just welcome all of you to my channel. And I thank you for watching. But do leave me your comments on these two eye looks. What did you think? What do you think of this new one from NYX? Are you going to be picking it up? Is it on your radar or you're going to skip it altogether? Sound off below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Here's mine. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.